Have you ever wondered what might happen if a black hole could destroy the entire universe? It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but the truth is, black holes have the power to cause unimaginable destruction. Let's dive into how something so small and invisible could have such a big impact on the universe. At first, it's important to understand what a black hole is. A black hole is an area in space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape from it, not even light. This happens when a massive star collapses in on itself, creating a point of infinite density called a singularity. The area around the singularity is called the event horizon, and anything that crosses this boundary gets pulled in, never to return. But how does this cosmic phenomenon have the potential to destroy the entire universe? First, let's talk about what would happen if a black hole kept growing. Black holes don't just stay the same size forever. As they consume more and more matter and energy, they get bigger. Imagine a black hole consuming stars, planets, and even entire galaxies. The more it eats, the more powerful it becomes. Over time, it could grow large enough to swallow everything in its path. If a black hole were to keep growing and consuming at a massive rate, it could start pulling in the fabric of space itself. Now, let's explore how this could lead to the end of the universe. In theory, a supermassive black hole could consume so much energy and matter that it starts to warp the space around it. This warping could cause nearby stars and galaxies to spiral into the black hole, further increasing its size. If the black hole were to grow to a certain point, it could start pulling in the very structure of spacetime, causing a collapse of the entire universe. This event is known as the Big Crunch, where the entire universe could eventually collapse in on itself due to the force of the black hole's gravity. But that's not all. Black holes are also known to emit a mysterious form of radiation known as Hawking radiation. This radiation could slowly cause black holes to lose mass over time. But here's the twist: if a black hole starts losing mass, it might not shrink. Instead, it could become unstable. This instability could cause a catastrophic explosion, spreading energy and matter across space. This could potentially trigger a chain reaction, destabilizing other black holes and causing a ripple effect that could tear apart the entire universe. Let's think about the ultimate worst-case scenario. If black holes continue to grow and feed on the universe, they could eventually merge with each other. When black holes merge, they release an enormous amount of energy, creating gravitational waves that ripple through space. If enough black holes merge, they could create a supermassive black hole that could consume everything in its path, tearing apart galaxies, stars, and even the fabric of spacetime itself. One of the most terrifying ideas is that black holes could be scattered throughout the universe, waiting for their chance to grow and merge. Even though the universe is vast, black holes could eventually meet each other in a deadly cosmic dance. As these black holes grow, they could pull the universe into a state of total chaos, where nothing escapes their grasp, and the universe collapses under the weight of its own destruction. Of course, we are far from understanding everything about black holes. They remain one of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in space. But based on current theories, it's possible that black holes could play a major role in the ultimate fate of the universe. If they continue to grow and consume everything around them, the universe could be swallowed whole, ending in a terrifying final collapse. In conclusion, black holes, while seemingly tiny and invisible, have the potential to do more damage than we could ever imagine. They could grow, merge, and even destabilize the entire universe. It's a terrifying thought, but one that shows just how powerful and mysterious the universe truly is. Whether black holes will eventually destroy the universe or not is still unknown, but one thing's for sure, they will continue to be a key player in the story of the cosmos. The idea that something as simple as a black hole could cause the end of everything is a reminder of how little we know about the universe's ultimate fate.